Alright, what's going on everybody? Today I have a very fun video for you guys planned. I finally get to put my S4 against another quick car. Not only is it another quick car, but it's actually another S4. I've been waiting to race someone decently quick for a long time just to see how I compare. And today's the day that I finally found someone to put my car up against. And what better than literally another S4. So that's the plan for today. Now this guy's S4 is actually really fast. If I had to guess, I would say it's probably decently faster than mine. But none of that ever really mattered to me. I don't care about winning or losing. I just want to have a good race. What is really interesting about it though is that we have a lot of the same mods. Obviously there is some things that he has that I don't, or vice versa, but in terms of just components done, we have very similar setups. The only things that really change are the brand and the tunes themselves. So I'm hoping that this video will actually answer a lot of questions for some people regarding which path they should go for certain parts or certain brands that they should tune with. And the best way is literally just to race the two cars and see how each performs. Now in order to get this filmed properly and for me to actually race paying attention, because you always want to pay attention when you're racing, especially with these quick cars, I am actually going to pick up my girlfriend here and she's gonna help me record this video. She's basically been becoming my dedicated cameraman without really having much of a say about it. Now one thing I am scared about is that I still have not changed my oil from the original 0W20 that from what I've seen everyone says has basically no protection for the engine, and so I bought 5W30 but I haven't changed the oil yet. And I've been doing a lot of, let's just say, intense driving with this car under that oil. Is it the smartest? No, it's actually probably really dumb, but I had no option. I had to make content for you guys and I can't wait. There's a bunch of reasons why I haven't changed the oil just yet, but it's happening soon. We're just gonna have to hope and pray that my S4 can handle some more launches and some more heavy beating on it today, because I've definitely been driving this as more of like a weekend driver, the way I push it, more than a daily driver. But I honestly think that's how you're supposed to drive the car anyway. What's the point in driving a sports car that you put a lot of money and effort into if you're not going to drive it to its full potential? And that's literally what I've been doing. And you know, technically 0W20, the original oil, should still be good. It's not like I'm running a completely different kind of oil. And look at that, that thing is sick. Speeding is such a problem in this car. I mean, I barely did anything and I'm going past 80. I'm never able to actually tell how fast I'm going. I think that goes for generally all German cars. They're just so smooth. They literally feel better after 80 than they do at lower speeds. I'm also not completely sure myself yet what exact runs we're gonna do. I think for sure we're gonna do some runs from a launch, but I haven't really figured out if we're gonna do a 40 roll or if we're gonna do something way faster than that. I guess we'll see when the time comes.
Hi guys, it's me again. We're here to go racing.
So we are just about to meet up with him pretty soon here. I've actually met up with him once before a little while ago, but we've never really like hung out or anything like that. And I'm excited to see his car a lot better in person, because when I saw him, the one time that we actually met, I basically just randomly saw him in a parking lot and we got each other's Instagram and we haven't really hung out since, but we talked here and there. I've only seen his car at night and he's done more modifications since I've seen him last. I'm excited to see his car and compare the two and of course get some good races in. My question to you is, what do you think is going to happen with these races?
I think it's going to be a good one.
Who's going to win?
I don't know. I think it's going to be pretty close. Whoever does win is going to be basically neck to neck.
I don't think it's gonna be, I think it's only gonna be neck to neck in the beginning because we're both gonna be struggling for traction. But based on the mods that I know he has, which I haven't went over yet, he's custom tuned and he's gonna be able to really kick my butt, I think, after like 40 or 60. Yeah. If even just 40 to 60. I think he might easily just beat me all the way throughout. He's really fast. So I'm honestly just personally excited to see the differences between his custom tune and my IE tune.
Hey, nice Audi.
All right, so we're here, we met up. Take a look at his S4. I think this thing looks mad clean. Love the wheels, but you tell me, walk me through everything you got done.
Intake, open intake, inlet, catless downpipe is heat shielded. Heat shielded downpipe back there.
Is that, we might have the same
No, that was from Carbon Lab.
Oh, Carbon Lab,
yeah, I think
okay.
discontinued company.
Okay, because I have a heat shielded catless downpipe too. You said yours is catless, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
They're pretty similar. But high pressure fuel pump, that's APR, ethanol sensor. and then a Wagner intercooler on the front.
You kind of can't tell them. Huh? Oh, actually, you can right here, huh?
Yeah, it goes all the way up.
Yeah, you can't tell mine whatsoever. No, like
you could tell, but like,
yeah, you could,
it's very hard to get it all the way down.
It is very hard.
But yeah, that's about all for this car, and then it's on 91 right now, but
yeah, so you went to 91 for this race because you were originally running E40 mix. Yeah, there we go. So he went down for this race just so that we could compare a little bit better. So really, what are we comparing when we race? Brands of certain parts and just over the shelf versus custom tune?
Yeah, so this is custom tuned through Jackal. I forgot to say that. It has a custom tune, not just like a basic off the shelf. I had to do some logs and I got a full custom tune for it. But that's pretty much what the comparison is, I guess. It's just custom tune versus off the shelf and like
the only thing I have that you don't is the charge pipes.
Yeah.
But you have the high pressure fuel pump, so it kind of evens out.
Yeah. It's gonna be mainly down to the tune.
Yeah. And I think a custom tune is gonna just kick my butt. But I guess this is what this video is for. So we're gonna do some races here. What races are you thinking?
I'm thinking 40. We can do some digs. I think 50 maybe if the 40 is like kind of iffy. The only thing is I don't have anti-lag. You have anti-lag.
Oh shoot! I meant to ask you about that.
Yeah, I don't have anti-lag. I can brake boost, but it's kind of iffy. We could just do some without, some with.
Yeah, some out, with some with it. We'll see how much the anti-lag helps with races too.
We'll get a bunch.
Yeah, it'll be really good.
All right, bet.
All right, let's do it. Before we get some races in, we got to, of course, do an exhaust comparison. So he's gonna get some revs in. He has like a gunshot tune. It's kind of insane. Woo! Damn, that was fire.
Stupid loud, bro.
Yeah, stupid loud.
And that's from cold. They get louder.
But your exhaust, you have active exhaust too, right?
Well, I had the valve in place.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I had an exhaust on the car, and I took it off because it was too loud. And I cooked the valves. Because my dumbass didn't put electrical tape over the whole connector.
Oh,
and I think they got broken.
Damn.
I had them plugged in.
So they're always open now?
Yeah.
Damn.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's not bad. I would be kind of annoyed if it was always open though.
It is annoying, yeah.
Here you go.
Am I gonna be on YouTube?
Yeah, you are.
What's your YouTube channel?
Oh, the pops are way quieter. What the hell?
Yeah, way quieter. Way quieter.
Wait, what's your YouTube channel?
What's up?
I was like, dude, y'all do how many work on
Yeah. Cool.
Say hi.
What's up?
All right.
Yeah, but so we know for a fact that you start to crawl away for sure.
Yeah, I'll do it right here, quick.
All right, bet. What's your oil temperature at right now?
216.
Mine at 222.
All right, we can do a roll right here.
Yeah, I'm down for a roll. No, wait, I'm gonna do no rolling anti-lag.
All right, man. Was it second gear?
Second gear, I'm down. But that was like neck and neck for like the initial when we floored it. Pretty neck.
Because they don't really give a shit about the roads over here.
What like how much gas do you have, by the way?
Half a tank.
Oh, perfect, same.
Alright, bet. Let's see.
Yeah, this is a if we get in front of this truck, we could do, or let this truck pass. We could let this truck pass.
Just go in front of him.
I'll just get ahead of him.
Okay, okay. It's just because we gotta slow down. We gotta
Yeah, he's also just driving like. Damn, bro, this would be perfect if that one car wasn't there.
I know. I mean,
Or we can just do another U-turn here.
yeah, we could do another U-turn.
Yeah, let's just do that because a U-turn makes it so there's no one behind. Oh, we can do a U-turn. Here, maybe next slide, next slide.
So my rolling anti-lags are
around.
best at around like 35-ish, like second gear. Like kind of
Okay.
how we did that roll just now. We could do the same thing.
Okay, yeah, and then I'll do a brake boost.
Okay, cool.
I could try. I'm not the best. My brake squeals so loud though, so
What if you
don't
turn
mind that. Get to 35.
All right, slow down here.
Yeah, I'll lock it up. Okay. Alright, we can do anti-lag or brake boost?
Oh, you're cooking your brakes. Cooking your brakes.
Yeah, they're loud. I gotta get new brakes, honestly.
I didn't have the best brake boost on that one. I didn't build up a lot of boost.
Yeah.
It's just because of the...
Actually, I'll let you go first a little bit. Just so it's moving.
Yeah. It's just rough, like, you know, in the streets, it's hard to time it.
I'm good on that.
That thing is gonna cook us both.
I have a really good idea. A good neighborhood we can go to.
Okay, cool.
I was getting videos here like a day ago, and it's very like empty. The only downside is they definitely have security somewhere, but like the most they can do is just kick us out. Like they can't really like.
Yeah, we could just...
Security can't do anything.
Exactly. We'll just leave. Like, we'll just be passing through pretty much.
Yeah, I'm the famous reporter for his account, so.
You get paid?
No, I'm the girlfriend, so I get other benefits. I just get
You
spoiled.
get paid, yeah, paid naturally.
See if there's anything here, because it's like an empty neighborhood.
You go to that right instead. No, we just went left. Bro, this place is ridiculously pretty. You could too if you want, because it's just hella pretty right
Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, this is sick right here. Stop right here.
Yeah, the 13 actually looks...
I think 13 still like.
It is, yeah.
Are you guys having fun?
Hell yeah.
Yep, sure are.
What's your favorite part about it so far?
Can't find a road.
How he cooked me. No, yeah, we literally can't find a good road. This is somewhat decent, but as you can tell, it's not that far. I don't know if you could tell on camera, actually. It actually kind of
looks really far.
It looks really far,
on
yeah,
camera,
but it's not that far. Yeah.
Yeah, we probably like one dig maybe.
Yeah,
it won't be that
decent
good.
dig.
I'll just go off like this time. I'll go off like when you go. So instead of counting.
All right, bet. Let's take a look at the tire tread difference here real fast. Let's see what you got. Without turning your tires, let's see if I can tell.
They're legit brand new.
Oh yeah, brand new tires, bro. Especially on a dig.
They're like less than 2,000 miles.
Oh yeah, check these out.
Oh, you're. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah,
Yeah, they're pretty bad.
Yeah.
This time definitely when you should get the jump and then we'll see.
yeah.
Damn.
All right, so as you just saw, we just did 2 launches, both of which I would say are decent. He tried to let me go first, of course, to try and, you know, counteract the shittier tires, the fresh tires and whatever not. I would say either way, I think even if I had fresh tires, that custom tune,
It is slightly faster.
it is slightly faster.
It edges up slightly.
Especially after what, like 40, 50,
Yeah,
I think?
off the line it's very neck and neck, but like once it gets like past 40, I'd say like for sure the custom tune passes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm really curious too. We're gonna have to redo this eventually when I get on that E85.
Yeah.
Yep.
That'll
we're
be
gonna
better.
see. Yeah, that'll be really good to see. Because that's gonna be pretty much close to max effort of what I'm personally doing.
Pretty much,
with
yeah.
the car.
For IE, I think that's pretty much as much as you can do stock turbo.
Yeah.
And then I'm as much as you can do as well stock turbo. So
cool. So that'll be a really good race too.
Yeah.
There's your answer. Custom tunes are simply faster, mainly for at least our generation of cars after 40. We plan to do one more roll race just for fun. I'm gonna try and get a really good anti-lag launch on it because the one that we did, it wasn't the best. It's tough to do a good race when there's just so much traffic and not a lot of, you know, space or whatnot. So we'll try and get a good one. Yeah, we'll try and get one more good one. You generally have your answer. Let's see.
I mean, technically you didn't see it do anything.
Yeah, we could just say if anything we were revving it. Where did you go from the stop sign, the main one?
After that road, it turns right onto the main road.
On this main stop sign?
Yeah, on the stop sign, turn left.
Okay,
and then
okay.
onto the
Okay,
road.
got you.
The plate's right there.
Yeah. I thought you maybe went like deeper into the neighborhood. He was decently behind me. He didn't, he's still behind me low key though.
Is he like?
No, he's staying at that neighborhood stoplight. He's just standing there. He might be trying to see if anybody else comes by. Maybe he didn't.
We did. I mean, that's probably all we wanted to.
Yeah, he probably. Okay, he just went across to the other neighborhood.
Okay.
He's not coming for us. Keep
Oh,
going.
you're right here. Right here, back to move.
Okay. I'm down. 30.
35-ish.
35-ish. Okay. Okay, I'm at 35.
I'm moving.
You ready?
Start when you start doing anti-lag. I'm gonna start.
Okay.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! Bro, that was the best
Good
one.
race.
That was the best one.
Yeah.
Without rolling anti-lag, I think I would have been cooked a lot more. Without rolling anti-lag, I think that saved me a lot. The fact that you don't and I do.
Yeah, it gives you a pretty good jump on the beginning.
Yeah. All right, well, there you have it. There's your answer. That last race was, oops, gotta go back into non-manual. That last race was, I would say, the closest and best one we've had. I had a good rolling anti-lag launch. My boost was built up probably 85% right there. I don't even think that it can build up to 100 regardless. Maybe it can. I've never done rolling anti-lag launches like that. Another small thing to note though is that I do have a passenger in the car. So I don't know how big of a difference that would make, but it's something to note, I guess. And there's your answer for you guys. Never gonna be as fast as a custom tune. I think the fact that I have IE as a tuner though helped me out a lot, because from what I would think, a custom tune would be a lot faster than an over-the-shelf tune. From what we raced today, you couldn't say that it's a lot faster. You could just say it's decently faster, but not a lot faster. And the reason to that is I think that number one is that I do have a charge pipe that he doesn't have. He does have that high pressure fuel pump that I'm still waiting to put on. But IE is a pretty aggressive tuner. From what I've seen, integrated engineering is actually one of, if not the most aggressive over-the-shelf tuners. So I think the fact that I am tuned by IE really helped me out in these races. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the races. I hope we could answer a few questions for you guys. Tons of great content to come. So don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Comment what you initially thought would happen with the races, and I'll see you guys next time.